Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Edge to accessory or running mode so the sync screen is active. This speeds pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and select the sync device name. Accept any PIN prompts. Once paired, open your preferred Maps app or the Ford navigation system and grant location permissions. This lets turn-by-turn begin. Make sure audio routing is set to vehicle so directions play through speakers. If you prefer voice entry, test a short command now to confirm recognition. You now enter the destination by touch or voice. Say, navigate to 123 Main Street for hands-free input. Once the map plots options, compare fastest versus shortest routes and pick any avoidance settings like tolls or highways. Make sure to add stops or waypoints if you need breaks. This recalculates total time. Once done, preview the turn list to spot tricky intersections so you're not surprised. Keep volume at a level where direction prompts are audible over road noise. You tap Start and follow on-screen directions. Keep an eye on lane guidance and the visual upcoming turn cues to align lanes early. If you do not hear spoken directions, make sure the media audio is set to sync navigation or Bluetooth phone audio. Adjust volume and mute states. If the GPS drifts or loses signal, safely pull over, restart the infotainment or your phone, and repair if needed. This usually clears location errors. If problems persist, check map updates or contact dealer support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.